everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is the day 3 of our spoken English journey. And in first one we have learned how to give our introduction in English, and in second one we have learned how to talk about our family members in English, and in this video we are going to learn how to talk about our hobbies. If you meet someone and they may ask you about your hobbies, then you can answer them like this. Okay. At first, talk about your hobby. For example, my hobby is singing. So, I can say that my hobby is singing. And in second point, talk about when do you do this. I do it in my free time. Okay, or I do it in my break time. I do it evening. Okay, whenever you do it, just tell them like this. And in third one, you can say that. From how long you are doing this. Okay, say this thing. If you are doing this from your childhood, then tell them that I have been doing this since my childhood. And if you are learning recently, then you can say them like this. And at the end, in fourth one, talk about say them why do you like your hobby. Okay, what is the reason of liking your hobby. So tell them that my hobby give me pleasure, it's give me happiness, or it's burn out my stress. Okay, and at the end just say this all sentence together. Okay, for example, my hobby is singing, and I do it in my free time, and I have doing this from my childhood, and my hobby give me happiness, or it burn out my stress. So, and practice this in front of mirror, or you can make your own video. This will very helpful for you. So this is all about today, and we will meet in the next video. Hope this video will helpful for you, and till then bye bye and take care.